everything's gone. Completely empty. This is insane. It's been raining like this since like Thursday. Luckily from my area, we haven't been like flooded as bad as other places that I've said previous, but this is just terrible. I guarantee you right now, if I go down there right now, I'm going down there right now, I'm gonna have to go back up. I'm gonna have to go back up because the water down there is so bad. Oh God. I don't know if y'all can see it from here, but way down there, like right before the ramp, it's like flooded, and they're gonna make you come back up. Wait, whoa. Why are they standing there? Oh, dude, look at all that water. Why is he just standing there? I can make it up there. I really can. Oh my God. Dude, that fort is completely like covered, man. Oh my gosh. And they're building, my school's right there. They're building another facility right there, and school's been delayed for like another week. This is insane. Oh, time to turn around. Am I supposed to like... Oh boy, he's stuck. Oh. What's going on?
You know how to get to our side of the hospital here?
No, I don't know. I'm sorry. Do I have to pull him out now? Well, now I'm going the wrong way. Whoa, that is crazy. Yeah, since they closed all the exits earlier, people are having to exit on an entrance in order to exit on their street that they want. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not doing this anymore.